Hello everyone, if you are looking to optimize your Windows 10 PC, look no further, as I will be showing you just that. Alright, so first of all, let's head to our startup apps. You can find it here. Navigate to the search in the left corner and type in startup apps. Here it is. And disable the applications you don't want to start up with your PC. This will drastically improve your startup time and snappiness of your PC. Alright, so next up we have temporary folders containing files your PC no longer needs. To access this, hold Windows key R on your keyboard and a box will appear bottom left corner. Then type %temp Control A, delete all its contents. As you can see, I already deleted these. Alright, after that, close this one up. Hold Windows key R again. TMP, there we go. Control A, delete all the contents within. And then after you finish, close this. So next up, we have disk cleanup. To get here, type in disk cleanup in the search bar below. Disk cleanup, open it up, and select the window where this drive where your Windows is installed. Mine is installed on drive C, yours may be E, F, it doesn't matter, but this sign is the one you want with the Windows sign. Hit OK and delete everything in here. Hit OK, delete files, wait for it to delete the files, and when it's complete, and there we have it. Alright, so next up we have disk defrag. So go to your search bar down below and type in defrag and optimize drives. Here it is. Alright, so it's very important to do the defragging process on your hard drives. As you can see, my Windows is installed on the SSD and it's not recommended to defrag these SSDs as it may cause them damage. It's recommended only to defrag the hard drives as they do have their moving parts, where an SSD doesn't have any moving parts, so I recommend only to defrag your hard drives. And that's gonna be it, so just hit optimize and there we have it. I already optimized these, so just go ahead, optimize, and there we go, and just close it up. Alright, so next up we have the power plan. Head on over back to the search and type in power and choose a power plan. Alright, so I recommend staying on balanced as it's better for energy consumption and performance, so it's a balance between the two and it's for daily use. So what I recommend is go to the change plan settings, change to advanced power settings, wireless adapter settings, and this must be on the maximum performance and hit apply. Then next up, PCI Express, make sure these is off, and then processor power management. The minimum I recommend 60%, so type in there 60, and the maximum 100%. There we go. Now after that you're going to be done. Close it up. So next we have the background apps. So these are the apps that's running in the background that you're not using and is taking all your valuable resources, and then you're not even using them. So navigate to the search bar down below, type in background apps, open it up, and disable the apps that you're now using. So for me, example, I'm not using the console companion or the Xbox Game Bar, so I disable them. But if you want to disable everything, there's an option to off, and then everything is turned off. So Yes, there we have it, and that's gonna leave us for now. Close this up, and there we go. So next up, let's navigate to the settings. First of all, let's go to the corner down below, type in settings here, or you can go down below here to the Windows Start and press the settings button. Alright, so now we want to go ahead to the gaming. Alright, so I recommend turning off the Xbox game bar here, off, there we go, the captures, I recommend turning these off as well, and the game mode I suggest you leave on, but if you don't game and you don't want to play games or anything, you can disable it, it doesn't matter, but for gaming I recommend leaving this on. So yes, that's gonna leave us there. Alright, so next up we have color transparency effects. Now these are going to be found here. Go down below to your settings again. If you're in your settings, personalization, head on over to colors and transparency effects, turn that off. And that's going to be that. So, but we're not done yet. So next up we have apps and features. So these are apps you don't want or don't need anymore, so you can go here to uninstall, add or remove programs. So here you can see these programs you don't use or you don't use anymore. So here you can go ahead and you can click on them somewhere over here. Let's say for example these, uninstall, and there you have it. So yes, there we go, and that's this. So next up we have storage sense. So how do you get there? Go down here to your search, storage settings, or you can type it in here. Okay, storage settings, there we have it. Open it up and turn on storage sense. This can free up space by getting rid of files you don't need, like temporary files and content in your recycle bin. And you can configure it to when you want it to run. So when you're not using the PC, or you're away, or your PC is in sleep, then it can clear this space for you or get rid of the files you're not going to need. So that will be it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Consider leaving a like and subscribe if you guys enjoy the content, and I'll see you all later. Bye bye.